Say hi, Jackie.
Hi.
Oh, he never lets me give him affection anymore. So sad. I know, you're too big for that now, huh? You big boy? Okay, so it's a little bit, a couple hours later, and we're gonna be trying something new. We are gonna be doing boiled eggs in the air fryer. You're such a goof. Just be careful. Why don't you hop back down on your chair there, please? Okay. So we were needing to make some boiled eggs anyway, but I didn't really want to crack out my Instant Pot again. And I remembered that some people make them in their air fryer. So it's about to go down. This girl is being good and strong for me today. So I cleaned it out from my lunch before with my steak, and now we are going to cook the eggs. Eggs in here already. They are not cooked yet. But what I did is I took a trivet from my Instant Pot and placed it in there to create a bit more space between the this and the eggs. And then, so we are gonna, no, I'm just talking to my friends. So we're gonna put that in there, and we are gonna cook it at 260 degrees-ish for 15 minutes. So, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Done, they turned out super good. There's like some speckles on here from being cooked in there, but you know, that's not a big deal because you're not interested in the shell, are we? So, and I opened one up now. The shell came off, peeled super easy. I peeled it under some running cold water, and then all of this is just like super fluffy, flaky. I'm impressed. I think that's gonna be my new go.